Yes, there has been an arrest that has been made. The police are interrogating, and further details will be given once we get the entire report after the interrogation is done. So please await that. Maybe towards later part of the evening, somebody from the government or the police department will brief you on that. But yes, one arrest has been made, and more developments are unfolding as we speak. See, every threat that is there, every aspect challenge we face is important. We cannot take it lightly, but we're very sure that with the work that the agencies are doing right now, the work that the police is doing right now, we should be able to normalize the situation to large extent, and we don't expect any kind of serious threat in this situation.
Any additional security?
Absolutely, we will take all measures to ensure that all the candidates from all political parties are given enough security. As we said, that the threats may be there, but the agencies are doing their work. We are ensuring that no such threat or no such incident will occur, and we are confident that all steps will be taken to ensure that all our people are protected.